Ladies and gentlemen, we've been talking about our subject pronouns, and today I just want to spend a little bit of time talking about the difference between tú, usted, y ustedes. All three pronouns mean you, but we use each of the pronouns at different times. So let's take a look at tú first. You're going to use tú whenever you are speaking to a friend, a classmate, or anyone you call by their first name. Tú is a little bit more familiar way to talk to someone, so whenever you're speaking to someone you call by their first name, you're going to use the subject pronoun tú. Usted also means you, but it's a little bit more polite or formal. So whenever you're speaking to someone that you don't use their first name, or you might use a title like Mr. or Mrs., Mom or Dad, your aunt, uncle, or even a stranger, you're going to use usted when speaking to them. Last but not least is ustedes. Ustedes also means you, but it's the plural form of you. So anytime you or the speaker is talking to more than one person, whether you call those people by their first name, or if you use a title with those people, or a combination of both, you're going to use ustedes when you're speaking to them. So there's the difference between tú, usted, and ustedes. Let's have a little bit of practice with them. So for each of these examples, I want you to think about which pronoun you would use, tú, usted, or ustedes. If you were speaking with your best friend, which pronoun would you use? I hope that you said tú, because you probably call your best friend by their first name and you're very familiar with them. How about if you were speaking to a stranger? Would you use tú, usted, or ustedes? The correct answer is usted, because a stranger is not someone we're that familiar with, so we're going to speak a little bit more politely. Number 3, if you're speaking to your mom, would you use tú, usted, or ustedes? We're going to use usted with mom because we don't call her by her first name, we use the title mom. For number 4, if you were speaking to a couple of your teammates, would you use tú, usted, or ustedes? The correct answer is ustedes because you're speaking to more than one person. Number 5, if you're speaking to your teacher, would you use tú, usted, or ustedes? The correct answer is usted because you speak a little bit more politely and you use a title, Mr. or Mrs. Number 6, a police officer. The correct answer is usted because we speak a little bit more politely and usually say Sergeant so-and-so or Officer so-and-so. Last but not least, number 7, if you're speaking with mom and dad, would you use tú, usted, or ustedes? The correct answer is ustedes because you're speaking to more than one person. Hopefully this quick video has helped you understand the difference between tú, usted, and ustedes, all of which mean you in Spanish.